Morning everyone, Chris here. I just wanted to go over a couple of products I got in stock. They're made by Davies Motorsport Engineering in the UK, and he's a one-man show much like I am. He makes beautiful CNC'd aluminum products. I've had these in the web shop for a little while. These are the interior door pulls. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I wanted them for my van, and I've been using them all this year, and they're absolutely great. They not only look great, but they function really well. It feels really solid in your hands, which was an added bonus and something I was looking for. Those fit Vanagons, of course, but also Mark I Rabbits here in the States, the Cabriolets, Scirocco's, Mark I Jettas, Porsche 944 and Porsche 924 as well. Next up, we've got the also billet aluminum Golfball throwback style shifter, kind of like the old Mark I GTI Golfball that was made out of like that rubbery material. I've always liked those a lot. This one was pretty cool. I worked with Davies Motorsport Engineering to make it work with both the big shot shifter, which I have in my van, and also the stock Vanagon lever. So it's just using this threaded insert. Screw that in there, and that's how you use the adapter for that. So what you do is you just screw this onto your shift lever, or shift lever. Get it hand tight so it's nice and firm, and then I provide a Unorix design, like a bubble kind of a sticker to go on the top. But after you get it tight, if you put that sticker in place, it'll be in the right position for you. Also, this is just a 1-inch diameter relief in here, so you could put, whatever sticker you wanted in there. Really, not sure why you wouldn't put this one, but hey, that's just me. Anyway, the other thing that I really like and I wanted for my van was these window cranks. They're absolutely beautiful. CNC'd aluminum, very strong. They're not going to break like the stock ones do. So again, I worked with Davies on having a spacer fitted, and the spacer fits inside. You can see the inside of the winder has got a knurl to it. So what he did was he put the matching knurl on the inside of the spacer. So it just keys in, and that's going to give you, this is 0.8 of an inch. So that's over 3/4 of an inch of space for your speakers. I don't know of any speakers that are that tall, but you have the option. Those are available in the web shop. All this is available in the web shop. I just got another shipment in from the UK. So I'm going to install a set of these spacers in my van. I'm kind of tired of pushing the speaker grill out of the way to wind up or wind down the window. So this is going to totally solve that problem. And I'm so excited about putting these in there. So that's the update for today. These are all available in the web shop. Granted, they are a little bit pricey. I understand that, but it is the very best, and that's exactly what I wanted for my van. Kind of the ethos I've had with running my web shop is if I get excited about something, being a long-term Vanagon owner, I've had my van for over 16 years now. If I get excited about it, then I think there's a good chance that you all, my tribe, will get excited as well. So that's why I bring this stuff in the web shop. I hope you like it, and I hope you like supporting a small business such as mine. Thanks a lot. Cheers, everyone.